Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels. Get ready to explore the 2026 Prevost Next Level Motorhome, a rolling masterpiece of ultra-modern luxury, smart tech, and first-class comfort that redefines life on the road. The 2026 Prevost Next Level Motorhome has officially raised the bar in luxury travel. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a moving five-star hotel with design, features, and innovation that will blow your mind. Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where today we bring you the ultimate experience on wheels. The moment you see the 2026 Prevost, its sleek aerodynamic design and commanding road presence grab your attention. The ultra-premium paint finish, full LED lighting setup, and custom alloy wheels scream luxury and style. But once you step inside, it's a whole new universe. The interior of the Next Level Prevost is pure perfection, with Italian leather furnishings, real wood paneling, and heated marble floors. It feels more like a mansion than a motorhome. The spacious living area offers a full-length expandable slide-out, allowing for a massive lounge area with a 75-inch 8K OLED smart TV, Dolby Atmos sound system, and touchscreen ambient lighting controls. It's all connected to Prevost's central AI system that adapts lighting, climate, and entertainment based on your preferences. The kitchen is a gourmet chef's dream. It comes fully equipped with a smart induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, convection oven, dishwasher, and even a hidden wine cellar. Custom quartz countertops, automated drawers, and touchless faucets are just a few of the premium features packed inside. The master suite is another level of luxury. A California king-size bed with massage function, personal climate zones, and a ceiling skylight with smart tint control ensures ultimate rest. The ensuite bathroom features a rain shower with aromatherapy, gold-finished fixtures, and a smart toilet with heated seating. Electric engine system delivering silent, smooth, and efficient rides. With air suspension, adaptive cruise, and lane assist, it's built for effortless long-distance travel. Safety is also at the core, with 360-degree cameras, LiDAR sensors, and auto emergency braking included as standard. And connectivity? The Prevost is a moving smart hub with satellite internet, 5G boosters, and cloud access for all your devices. Storage space is another big plus. With multiple smart storage compartments inside and underneath, there's room for everything from bikes to outdoor kitchens. The automatic leveling system makes it easy to camp anywhere in seconds. With a starting price over $2 million, the 2026 Prevost Next Level Motorhome is clearly not for everyone. But for those who want the absolute best, it delivers more than luxury. It delivers a lifestyle. From technology to elegance to performance, it's the future of motorhomes today. That's all for this tour of the 2026 Prevost Next Level Motorhome. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more luxury on wheels.